What's up guys, this is a video on a Chevy Impala. I'm replacing a rock and pinion. The easiest way for me to get it was you disconnect this hose right here and it'll get you access to those lines right there. And now be very careful not to break anything up in there. But then you come down here and you can see you lift that plastic right there, and inside there is an 11mm bolt that you need to undo. I used a pry bar to get that up, and then this is the other side. Before you take your tie rod ends, make sure you count the turns, you count the threads on the tie rod, and that's what it looks like in there. I used this pry bar to get in there and pry in there. As you can see, my bolt is already out, and all I have to do now is I'm going to drop the subframe a little bit down just so it'll give me easy access to a bolt. I don't know if you can see it in there. That one right there, and the other one, it's on the other side right there, and it'll be out in no time. Just be careful, be very safe, use jack stands, use a cardboard on the floor so you don't mess up your driveway or whatever you're doing. So any comments, please let me know. Any suggestions, any questions, I'm here for you.